Hi fashionists, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Design. Today video is going to be all about one of the hottest trends in fashion right now. The silk bodycon design. This style is making waves for its sleek and look that perfect for almost any occasion. If you are excited to learn about the latest trends and get some style tips, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We have got lots of awesome content coming your way. And if you like what you see, and do not forget to give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends so they can stay in the loop too. So you might be asking what exactly is a silk bodycon design. Let's break it down. The silk part refers to luxurious fabric that feel incredibly soft, has a beautiful shine. Silk dress perfectly and feels amazing against your skin. The bodycon design is a style that fits snugly around your torso and flares out slightly. Your natural curves together, these elements create a that both elegant and flattering. Imagine wearing a dress that makes you feel like you are walking the red carpet every day. That's the magic of silk bodycon dress. And why is everyone talking about silk bodycon design? First off, silk is a classic fabric that's always in style. It's timeless and perfect for a variety of setting. The bodycon shape is versatile too. It enhances your shape and provides a modern streamlined look. The combination of silk and bodycon design create an outfit that's both eye-catching and comfortable. Celebrities and influencers are rocking this trend, which has made it super popular. If you think this trend is as amazing as I do, hit that like button and share this video with your fashion loving friends. Now let's dive into the some of the fabulous style of silk bodycon design, from blood bright colors like electric blue and fairy red to classic natural tones like black, white and beige, and there are something for everyone. You can find bodycon dresses in various lengths too, from mini dresses that show off your legs to floor length gowns that give dramatic flares. The silk fabric can also come in different finish and glossy for a high shine look or made for a more understand elegance. Whether you are attending a formal event or just want to dress up for a night out, there are silk bodycon design that are perfect for you. Wondering how to style your silk bodycon design? Here are some tips to help you look your best. For a silk minimalist look, pair your dress with simple accessories. Think delicate jewelry and understand shoes. If you are aiming for more glamorous vibe, go for blood statement pieces like chinky necklace or colorful heels. Silk trends to be a bit slippery, so make sure your outfits and well to avoid any wardrobe mishaps. Confidence is the best accessory, so wear it with pride. If you are enjoying these style tips, do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more fashion device. Ready to get your hands on a silk bodycon design? There are lots of great places to shop. High-end boutique often carry exclusive pieces, but you can also find beautiful options at popular online stores. Like insert popular fashion sites, keep an eye out of sales and discount. They are great way to get a luxury items without breaking the bank. And remember, shopping online means you can easily compare different style and prices. If you find a stunning piece, be sure to share it with us in the comments below. So, what exactly is silk bodycon design? Imagine a design that combines the elegance of silk with a stunning bodycon shape. It's all about that sleek, smooth look that hugs your body in all the right way. The silk fabric make it feel super soft and luxurious. Pretty cool, right? You might be wondering why is this design so popular? Well, silk is a timeless fabric that always looks classy. The bodycon shape is flattering for many bodycon types and give us a modern chic look together. They create a style that perfect of any occasions. From casual outings and to fancy parties, if you think this trend is awesome, do not forget to like and share this video. There are so many ways to rock the silk bodycon design, from vibrant colors to classic naturals, and from short dresses to long gowns. You can find something that fits your personal style. Wondering how to wear this amazing design? Here are few tips. You can pair it with simple accessories for a minimalist look, or go all out with blood jewelry for a more dramatic effect. Remember, confidence is key. If you are loving these tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more fashion advice. Let's look at some real life example. Here are some fabulous people rocking their silk bodycon design. They look amazing, do not they? Hearing real reviews can help you decide if this style is right for you. So there you have it. The silk bodycon design is definitely a trend to watch. I hope this video help you understand why it is so special and how you can make it work for you. If you enjoy this video, and please hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Before you garb your silk bodycon design, here are a few things to keep in mind. Avoid heavy accessories that might overwhelm the look, and make sure your outfits. Well, silk is delicate, so handle it with care to keep it looking fabulous. Feeling crafty? Why not try making your own silk bodycon design? It easier than you might think. Start with the simple patterns. You can find many online on in sewing books. Choose your favorite silk fabric and get to savings. If even if you are new to savings, there are lots of tutorials that can help you create a beautiful pieces. Plus, making your own clothes means you can customize the design to fit your style perfectly. Stay tuned of your upcoming dye videos where we'll walk you through the processes step by step. And that's what on your deep dive in the silk bodycon design. I hope you excited about this trend as I am, and Ayali. It's beautiful, versatile, and that's sure to make you feel fabulous. Thanks for joining me today on fashion design. If you enjoy this video and want to see more fashion tips and trends update, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to like this video and share it with anyone who loves fashion. See you next time. Thanks again for watching. Thanks again for watching. We have got plenty of exciting content, and so stay tuned for more fashion inspiration. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button and follow for